Hey, good morning everybody. It's Eric. Today is the day. Today is Thursday. It's the injection day. I'm getting picked up here in about 15 minutes to head to the hospital. I had my doctor consult yesterday. We kind of went over our game plan. How this place works is you buy stem cell packages based on a certain level of how many stem cells you want, and then where they're going to go in your body. And so after you do your MRIs and everything, you have a doctor consult and they go over the MRIs. So yesterday when I went over them, it's pretty, I knew that my back and my hips were pretty bad, but it was confirmed. I'd never had an MRI before, but it was confirmed by the doctor that my low back is just basically bone on bone in some areas. My hips are real bad, and then my middle back isn't that bad, but then my neck's got some issues. So we've decided to drop the knee. So we're not going to do the knee at this point, maybe later on down the road, someday later, but the knee isn't that bad. So instead of using the stem cells for the knee, we're going to put those towards the back. I actually ended up buying some special stem cells. They can take stem cells and they can modify them and like train them to do certain things, which is kind of cool, and like speed up the process. So instead of just injecting normal stem cells, they're going to inject some, I think they're called chondrocytes. And those stem cells are programmed to turn into cartilage. And they kind of normal stem cells will turn into cartilage eventually, because that's their job. They do whatever they seek and go in and then turn into whatever they need to fix the body. But these are special stem cells that were trained to speed up that process and become cartilage sooner. And so I had to buy some extra stem cells. I didn't have to, but I chose to speed up that process for my hips, because I am literally bone on bone in some areas of my hips. So they're going to go do that this morning, or today. I'm heading to the hospital this morning. I'm not sure when time my procedure is. So I just wanted to kind of give you a quick update. I will post this one, and then after the injections, when I wake up this afternoon from the hospital room, I'll do another video, kind of tell you how I'm doing. Everybody that I saw yesterday that had spine injections, they were up and walking, fairly soon after their procedure, and a couple of them sent me a text and let me know they were doing okay. Some minor pains, some aches, some stiffness, things like that, but nothing out of the norm as far as you're getting injections. It's going to hurt. So that's where I'm at, and so I am off to the hospital today. I will keep you posted and give you a follow-up today. I'll post these together this evening, so you guys can see where I'm at. Okay, thanks for watching, and again, this is just for people who want to know what it's like to get this procedure and how it affects people. And like I said, I searched the internet and saw some testimonials and felt like this was something I could do, and wanted to share it with as many people as I could. All right, so take care. God bless. We'll talk soon. Bye. Hey everybody, it's Eric. As promised, I said I would do a video after my procedure, and literally, man, this is right after your procedure. So I want to make this as real as possible for people. They put me under. They did all my injections. I think it was about an hour and 15 minutes in and out. Got me out of anesthesia. I'm in my own private room overnight for the night. Anytime you get stem cells injected in your back or your spinal area, they have you spend the night in the hospital, just kind of protocol. I have to say that I'm moving around. I am extremely stiff in all the areas that they injected, obviously. But so far, no real radical pain. I have a feeling it's going to come, so I've got my little pain button thing. I got a pain button on the wall I can push for meds if I need meds. But anyway, things went well. I do have one disc that pretty much is gone. And I'm not sure what I'm going to do with that later on down the road, but they really couldn't inject it because it was just so far gone. But they injected all around it to hopefully stabilize it for several years. So anyway, that's the update there. I'm going to post this and then I'll do another video tomorrow to let you know how the daily progress is coming. All right, talk to you guys later. Love you. Bye.